Hello everyone. Today is the day. I didn't print out any feet for this yet, but I wanted to test it out before I went through the trouble, make sure it's accurate, make sure things look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and run a test here and see if this works. All right. I don't see why it wouldn't, but it's possible that there's something that's messed up. I haven't run it. I mean, I've ran it without the laser head, but this is the first time I'm running it without with the laser head on. So let me go ahead and do this. I've got a circle set up in Lightburn. It's like just a 30mm circle to run to kind of test the dimensions on it when it burns. When it burns, I'm assuming it's gonna burn, but we'll see what it comes out. All right. Let's go ahead and do this. Cuts and layers. Let's change the speed to 80mm per minute. Or per second, I mean. Alright, let's go ahead and frame it. Ooh, that looks good, promising. Let's go ahead and start it. Right. So we have an egg. And it looks a little bit off at the top there. I'm looking at this, trying to figure out. It's definitely looking like it's, let me measure it here real quick. It looks like it's 30mm wide, but it went about 38mm, 37mm long, and it wasn't very accurate. So I'm thinking it has to do with the belt tensioning, the squareness of the machine. So what I'm going to do now is dedicate a little bit of time off camera to try and square up this machine, get it going. Now, it doesn't always work the first time. That's the important part, is that you keep trying, and if you have a goal, trying to make sure that you work towards that goal. And I think that I can get this going. I just gotta give it some more time and effort. All right, thanks for watching. And if you like this, or if you're wondering what this is, go back and check my other videos on this machine. Basically, it's a cobbled together XTool D1 Pro unit that I am using the motherboard and the laser head, the cross beams, and the X gantry from the 10-watt. I got the extension kit, that's where I got these, and I got the upgrade kit for the 40 watts, so that's where I got this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some troubleshooting, like I said. And if you want to see how it turns out, like and subscribe, and I'll publish another video once I do some more troubleshooting and kind of figure out what's going on. Thanks. Bye.